That is the goal of true education. Welcome back to Scholarships News Bulletin. Ministry of Ayush and Indian Council for Cultural Relations Scholarship Scheme. Courses under Ayush Scholarship Scheme is UG, PG, PhD in Ayurveda, Yoga, Unani, Siddha and Homeopathy for the academic year 2020 to 2021. Last date of application is 31st of August 2020. International Peace Research Association Foundation invites applications for peace research grants. Last date of application is 31st of August 2020. Notification for All India Independence Day Quiz Competition by Law Society on 14th August 2020. The Law Society, Faculty of Law, Aligarh Muslim University is organizing an All India Independence Day Quiz Competition to raise awareness about constitutional law, constitutional history and general history related to the Indian independence movement. Eligibility. This competition is open to all students presently enrolled in any undergraduate level course in India. Last date of application is 13th of August 2020. Central Institute of Educational Technology, National Council of Educational Research and Training in collaboration with Cyber Peace Foundation and National Commission for Protection of Child Rights have launched E-Rickshaw Competition 2020 for students, teachers and caregivers, parents or guardians. Last date of application is 30th of September 2020. Next Gen Startup Challenge Contest, Chunauti. Challenge hunt under NGIS for Advanced Uninhibited Technology Intervention is an online challenge under Next Generation Incubation Scheme to find the products and solutions to address the issues or challenges faced during and post-pandemic situation. Last date of application is 7th of September 2020. Society of Law and Literature, University of Petroleum and Energy Studies, School of Law, Dehradun, invites applications for National Short Movie Making Competition 2020. Last date of application is 25th of August 2020. National Power Training Institute announces 3 weeks online internship program on power generation, transmission and distribution from 7th September to 25th September 2020. Eligibility BE or BTech or diploma or equivalent in any branch of engineering, pursuing or completed. Last date of application is 4th of September 2020. Asian Development Bank invites applications for ADB internship program. The internship program is a project-oriented learning opportunity for graduate students to gain experience through research assignments based on ADB's current operational needs. Application period for the 2021 internship program. First batch, 1st August to 30th of September 2020. On board, January 2020 onwards. Second batch, 1st December to 31st of January 2020. On board, June 2021 onwards. National Institute of Technology, Calicut invites applications for online faculty development program on practical challenges in the design and development of electric vehicles 2020. Eligibility: faculty members or researchers or MTech students from various engineering colleges or institutions can apply. Last date for registration is 20th of August 2020. For more details and updated information, visit scholarshipsinindia.com. We are also available at Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, WhatsApp and Instagram. If you are new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe this channel. Or if you are already a part of this channel, do not forget to share it with your friends because they also need it. We want people to get benefit out of it. Also give me a thumbs up for this video. Before I say final bye, I remind you, keep sharing. Thank you again.